In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. Amidst this chaos, Mary Shelley, vacationing in Switzerland, found herself trapped indoors. Inspired by the gloomy weather, she penned Frankenstein, a novel that questioned the boundaries of science and morality. How did a natural disaster spark a literary masterpiece? This tale reminds us of the unforeseen power of mindful choices. Even in adversity, the eruption's impact on climate and culture remains a testament to nature's unpredictable influence.